So I'm not a crook. I've earned everything I've got.
Five men on the day of June 17, 1972, were arrested at the Watergate Office Hotel complex in Washington. This complex was the headquarters of the Democratic Campaign Party, and these men were trying to set up microphones to record the meeting. All five men arrested at Watergate had clear ties to the Republican re-election party, which was soon to re-elect President Richard Nixon. The Supreme Court, of its 9 justices, would only have 8, because the 9th was appointed by Nixon. The central issue is, can executive privilege overrule judicial review? Or in other terms, can the president do whatever he wants without having to worry about the law? The court ruled unanimously 8-0 that the President Richard Nixon had to surrender the tapes. But why? The Fifth Amendment of the Constitution states that no one person shall be held to answer without due process of the law. This means that executive privilege may not be invoked to deny any court access to evidence needed in a criminal investigation. The Supreme Court used due process to get the president to hand over tapes of him planning the Watergate scandal. It worked because the use of executive privilege did not allow due process to proceed in this case. He then became the first president to resign. The due process of law overrules any and all exceptions to it in the court of law. The decision supported the founders' belief of the separation of powers. Here are the chart answers for the amendment, the central issue, the decision, and why it's important.
Created using Powtoon.